Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys the most common reason why you're getting P0301 code. If you're getting P0301 code, it means there is an engine misfire on cylinder number 1. The first common reason why you're getting P0301 is because you're going to have a bad spark plug. If the spark plug electrode is worn out, it will cause weak spark, and weak spark can cause the engine to misfire. Also, if that spark plug is fouled out for some reason, again, it can cause an engine misfire. If you see engine oil on the ceramic side of the spark plug, it is going to be caused by a bad spark plug tube seal. So make sure to replace that spark plug tube seal to prevent engine oil from getting on the ceramic side of the spark plug. The next reason why you're getting P0301 code is because you have a failing ignition coil. If the ignition coil is failing, it will give less power or no power to the spark plug, and therefore it will cause weak spark. So make sure to check the ignition coil for cracks on the boot. Make sure there's no engine oil on the boot, and make sure the spring on the inside is not rusted out. And of course, I always check for bad connection and make sure connection is not loose. The next reason is going to be caused by a bad fuel injector. If that fuel injector is stuck open, it can cause the spark plug to fall out and it can cause an engine misfire. Or if that fuel injector is stuck closed, it will not give any fuel, and again, it can cause an engine misfire as well. When replacing that fuel injector, make sure to replace the O-ring as well, because this can cause a vacuum leak. The next reason, it is going to be caused by low compression. You might have a bad intake or exhaust valve on cylinder number 1, or you might have a partial blown head gasket around cylinder number 1 area. And if you pull out the spark plug and you look inside the cylinder and you see that it is full of coolant or antifreeze, that's how you know you're going to have a blown head gasket for cylinder number 1 area. The next reason why you're getting P0301 code is going to be caused by bad piston rings or worn cylinder wall. So make sure to conduct a dry compression test, and also make sure to conduct a wet compression test as well to verify the piston rings are worn. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.